Now, if you have a vision, and you alone can fulfill the vision, then it's a small one. But if God has given you an assignment, and it's an eternal purpose, of eternal purpose, it has its background in God, then you are going to need a generation after you and after you and after you. Ideally, your ministry, your assignment, your purpose should never end. Paul was speaking to Timothy. Is that 2 Timothy 2? He says, "You faithful son, that which I have committed to you, commit same to faithful men, who shall be able to teach others also." So I want you to see something. Here is Paul to Timothy, to faithful men who will teach others. So this is the ministry of Paul. How many generations away from Paul? We say 4 generations, right? So his ministry had lasted 4 generations, if Timothy got it right. But now, what then happens to the ministry of Timothy? Timothy now writes to the faithful people, tells them, that which I have taught you, commit to your own faithful men who will be able to teach others. So Timothy's ministry is 4th generation, thereby extending the ministry of Paul to 5th generation. Then the faithful men of Timothy do the same thing. They become others. His ministry is at the 5th generation. His is at the 6th. Do you see how it is? So following this pattern, your ministry should never end at any point. That's God's design. And you cannot accomplish that except you see beyond yourself and then commit what you have to somebody